Hello everyone, today our group gonna be presenting about the final result of the project called EAT. So let's get into it. Food waste is a major global challenge that has significant economic, social, and environmental impacts. According to the Food and Agriculture Organization, 1.3 billion tons of food produced for humans is wasted every year from various factors including overproduction, spoilage, and consumer behavior. Rice is the most consumed food in Thailand, but it also has a lot of leftovers. The environmental issue of the leftover rice is related to the disposal of the rice. When leftover rice is not consumed or donated, it is often thrown away and it can end up in landfills where it decomposes and releases methane gas, which contributes to climate change. Moreover, the production of rice requires significant amounts of water, land, and energy, and the disposal of leftover rice represents a waste of this resource. Study site for our project is chosen to be at the iCanteen, Faculty of Engineering, Chulalongkorn University, since it is crowded every day and the amount of waste generated from students and other personnel is massive. In order to generate ideas for this project, various projects and medias are reviewed and analyzed to identify their actions, good points, and limitations. This project has two main objectives. The first is to reduce food waste by transforming leftover rice into other edible products. The second objective is to provide an informational video on food waste for Chulalongkorn students on YouTube. The video aims to raise awareness about the problem of food waste and will include a step-by-step guide on how to make an edible product from leftover food. Our project methods, we are dividing it into three phases. For the first one, we interview the food sellers in iCanteen to gather information about the amount of leftover rice per day and how they deal with it to find a proper solution for transforming leftover rice. The next step, we make an edible product by use the leftover rice as a main ingredient and make a tutorial video on how to make this product at home. For the last step, we make a quiz to test about the food waste for participants to do before and after watching our informative video to evaluate the outcome. For the phase 1 results, 5 food shops sell their dish using rice as a primary ingredient, and each shop sold more than 80 dishes per day, and most of them gave the leftover rice to their staff when they closed the shop. The phase 2 result, we gather all the information and make the informative video about food waste. Then we publish it on the YouTube channel. This part, we also add the video showing how to transform the leftover rice into other edible products such as khao tang and rice pancake. For the phase 3 results, after we publish the quiz via Instagram, there are 24 participants that did the Google Form test. The results show that 79.17% of participants have a higher score after watching the informative video. 8.33% of participants have an equal score after watching the informative video, and only 12.5% have a lower score after watching the video. In conclusion, as a result of Google Form test, the percentage of participants that had a higher score after watching informative video is 79.17%, which passed our expectation as 70%. It can be implied that our informative video can actually provide the knowledge of food waste to people. The limitation is we do not know if the participants actually watched the video and intend to do the test without randomly answering the question. For these reasons, some of the data in Google Form may not be fully reliable. So that's all for our presentation. Thank you.